In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Zoho Mail storage. If you've ever wondered just how much storage you're using in Zoho Mail, or if you're nearing your limit, this video is definitely for you. We'll go through the process step by step to make it as straightforward as possible. First, we're going to begin by heading over to your Zoho Mail inbox. Now, in order to do this, you'll need to open your favorite web browser and navigate to the Zoho Mail website. Once you've arrived at the main page, make sure you log in with your account. If you aren't already logged in, simply enter your login credentials, just your email and password, and you should be transported directly to your inbox. Now that you're in your Zoho Mail inbox, what's the next move? Look towards the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll find what looks like a profile icon. This is your profile section. Go ahead and click on it. This should reveal a drop-down menu with several options related to your account. Next up, you need to locate and click on the option labeled My Profile. Clicking here will direct you to your profile settings, where you can access all sorts of information about your account. This is also where we're going to find the storage details that we're looking for. Once you're in your profile settings, it's time to scroll down a bit. As you scroll, keep an eye out for a section dedicated to your account's storage. This section will provide a breakdown of how much storage you've used and the percentage of the total storage capacity you've occupied. It's really useful, especially if you're trying to manage your email efficiently or you're concerned about hitting the storage limit. And that's it. You've successfully checked your Zoho Mail storage usage. Just remember to repeat these steps whenever you need to get an update on your storage consumption. If you notice that you're running low on space, consider going through your emails and deleting any that are unnecessary. Regular management can go a long way in ensuring you have the space you need for important communications. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, or if there's anything else you'd like to know about Zoho Mail, feel free to leave a comment or check out our other instructional videos. Remember, staying informed helps keep your email running smoothly. Until next time, take care and happy emailing.